What is going on, everyone? This is Tanker51379, and I just wanted to give you a bike check, like for my BMX bike. I got a premium solo frame with Odyssey R32 forks, sealed bearing hubs, Odyssey Rud Rant or something, double walled rims. Then I got 85 to 110 psi fit bike 20 by 2.30 tires, and then I got cartwheel bikes, or I got stolen bikes cartwheel sprocket. Then I got my monster pedals, and I'm not sure what kind of chain I have. I think I have a ordinary chain. And then, premium solo cranks, premium solo seat. By the way, these are female hubs. Same with the back as the front. Sealed bearings, double walled rims, same tire. And then I got an Odyssey headset, and I got premium solo handlebars, and then premium solo stem, and then ODI grips right here. So that's basically my bike. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe, leave a like, do all that junk, and see you guys later.